So we're a couple of hours north of Winton in Western Queensland, and we're looking at a trial here to have a look at the effectiveness of Method, which is a new herbicide for the control of woody weeds. The two weeds that we're focusing on in these trials are prickly acacia and mesquite.
With woody weed control, there's a range of ways we can carry out treatments, from foliar treatment, where we're cutting the foliage, to things like basal bark, cut stump and treating only a part of the plant. So we're trialling a whole range of different methods at these trials. The benefits of Method are it's a new active ingredient. It is at low use rates compared with current herbicides used for woody weed control. It's got some residual activity, more so than current products. So we've got seeds that are germinating in the soil. Method will keep controlling those. It's a non-scheduled product, so in terms of PPE requirements, it's quite limited, so safety to the user.
So we're here at this trial site in the Caulfield area looking at the effectiveness of Method on controlling mesquite. So in this trial here we're looking at foliar application of Method. We've been looking at the trees after 15 months after they've been treated, and all of the trees that have been treated with Method at the rate we plan to use have died and they haven't recovered, whereas some of the trees that we've treated with other products that are currently being used have started to recover and shoot again. At the Sesbania trial site, Method with foliar application was extremely successful on prickly acacia, and we haven't had any regrowth. After 3 months after application, the trees were all dead or dying, and we haven't had any regrowth up until 15 months after treatment.
The trials with Method have been really successful, and what's really exciting is the fact that the efficacy of the product has been fantastic, but the actual cost savings potentially for landholders and groups like Desert Channels Queensland using Method will be really noticeable and meaningful. Moving forward, I think Method has the ability to have further landholder engagement in weed programs. It will certainly help DCQ in our war against prickly acacia, there's no doubt about that.
I think Method will be really useful for landholders in the future because of its higher efficacy. I think there'll be less requirement for landholders to do follow-up treatments for woody weed control, and that saves time and money, which will be a real game changer for the industry.